With that, Mr. Khan, we welcome you on stage. And everybody, a huge round of applause. This is your favorite music playing, so we would love if you could do a step for us, few steps for us.
First of all, thank you, Amit. Thank you, Pradeep sir. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Lakhani sir. Welcome here. And of course, my friend, Rajiv. I'm sorry I wear dark glasses. People think I'm being arrogant and star-like. These are to see far. So I've just converted my far-looking glasses into cool rock star glasses. I don't have a speech to say because I was told very clearly I'm a customer. So when customers come to the company, they come with complaints, and I have no complaints. So I'll just say a few random things, and then of course I'm going to do what I do best, dance to all the songs. First of all, the delay is because of me, and it's not because of counting the money. The money hasn't still come in. I've been extremely tired, and I always take this advantage with Rajiv sir, who's a very close friend, and my tardiness, he's the only one who excuses it. So thank you very much, and I'm extremely, extremely sorry to all the customers, everyone from KTM, the press, and everyone who's waited. I'm extremely sorry. Please do forgive me. I am trying to now. The reason I took the KTM was so that I can reach places on time. So I will continue to do so, and I'm making better. If it wasn't for the KTM, I'd be 4 hours late. So thank you very much for bearing with me, and apologies. And I actually didn't know, Rajiv has been quite kind about the motorcycle, and he would not give it to me for a year, as he said. And at one time he even thought that maybe he's a little stingy. I'm asking for a motorcycle, and he's saying, nay, and stuff like that. I'm like, maybe, just what Chase's price could discount karke de de. He's not giving only. Then I realized that he's been looking at my wife's eyes more than I look at hers. And I didn't know this, that after 1 year they get the motorcycle back to the company. I mean, have you told your customers that एक साल चलाओ उसके बाद हम वापस ले लेंगे दूसरी बार लेकर जाओ. So thank you very much for this. I have a little story to tell, and I won't, like I said, I don't really have a speech because I'm amidst friends, and I don't come here as a brand ambassador because I truly believe the motorcycles that Bajaj makes, all the 280s that Bajaj has made, it's too iconic, even for someone who's been famous for 20 years in my field, to even think of himself as a brand ambassador. To me, genuinely, when I came and saw the factory for the first time, I had come with no preconceived notions how vehicles are made, two-wheelers are made, motorcycles are made, and genuinely it changed my life. Even about 5 days back, I remember I was traveling for the film, and we were in Rajiv's plane only, and I was talking to Deepika and Kareem and some of the team members, the last leg of our promotion. And everybody was very tired, and everybody commends me on my energy. And I remember it was like 2 or 3 in the morning, traveling back from Dubai or London, one of that leg. And, I sat them down and I said, the reason I have become like this lately, in the last 1 or 2 years, I've always had energy, we all work hard. But why I've become is because I went to a factory and saw the kind of stuff they do there, the work they do there. It's impossible for me to have conceived anything like this. In a few seconds, a motorcycle ready for an uneducated person like me in terms of, putting things together, not a slick of oil or a drop of oil, cleaner than our dining rooms are. I'm completely amazed, and more than a brand ambassador, more than the first customer of KTM, I find myself extremely lucky that, the Bajaj factory, the KTM assembly line, has been an inspiration for me for the last 2 years. And I honestly say that, I'm not just saying because I'm here. Every time I get bogged down by the bigness of work, heaviness of the stuff that I do, I just think of the stuff you guys have done at the factory, and I'm like, this is inspirational, and inshallah, I will try to be 10% of what you guys do in that factory and the motorcycles that you produce, honestly. So thank you for inspiring me in the last 2 years, Rajiv, and this is an honest confession. I have never had motorcycles because, like my wife, my mother was also anti-motorcycles. all mothers are. You know, they get a little disturbed riding a motorcycle. And when we were traveling here, Rajiv told me that, you know, nobody thinks you're a motorcycle lover. And all these macho men claim that they're motorcycle lovers. Maybe I don't look macho enough for a motorcycle. But the truth is that it's the first time in my life when I saw this motorcycle, I told Rajiv that, you know what, I'm sure my mother is also going to agree to allowing me to have a motorcycle like this. So I'm genuinely a motorcycle lover who's not been allowed to have a motorcycle for 45 years of his life. So the first one that I have is the most special motorcycle, and I don't know the policies of Bajaj Auto, but do return it back. I'm assuming I get it back. And I'm a little jealous and envious that the 390 is coming out now. So, see, मेरा birthday आ रहा है, लेकिन Islamic calendar में आज है, so please मुझको आज ही दे दीजिए. But you know, it's been a great association, just as friends, as a learning experience, and I'm extremely thankful. You know, the video is fantastic. I don't know, some of the videos you guys are making, I think you should start making movies also at Bajaj Auto. So I mean, it's fantastic, it is. But I really want to say that when do I ride it? This time I was shooting a film in Y, Chennai Express, and huge sets we had, about a 25-acre land. And every morning I got this, the reason I think Pooja called was because I said, you know, this is the place that I can really ride. As a matter of fact, one evening I even rode back to the hotel. You know, we had cars escorting us and on that winding road. So my whole day was spent riding from my van, which was a little distance away from the set, on this motorcycle. I also got to give rides to a lot of girls, including my actress. And that's one good excuse for having a motorcycle. You know, you get to get, "Aao chale darling, chale double seat." So it's a good thing, you know, you feel very cool. And I was telling Rajiv when I was driving down here that in the next 1 year, I'm going to educate myself about everything there is to be known about motorcycles. And my education will start from, of course, what Bajaj does and KTM. So I think if you would give me some books on this association with KTM, and I've understood all the specs of this motorcycle. I still can't take it off and assemble it, but I'm going to come to the factory and learn that too. So the next time I come here as a customer, I'm going to unassemble this bike in front of everyone and assemble it back single-handedly and show you what a motorcycle lover I am because of KTM. So 100%. So thank you very much, Bajaj. Thank you all of you. And like I said, I don't have a speech because I'm a satisfied customer. And to me, this is a very special occasion to be here and be a part of something so new, so innovative, and so inspiring. And I wish everyone at Bajaj, I wish everyone at KTM, all the people who work, all the people who are associated, and more than that, I wish customers a great ride, because this is truly inspirational. This is truly a thing of beauty. This is, you know, every aspect. When I sit down with Rajiv and discuss things with him, you know, he talks about how everything has been taken care of in terms of an association with a racing powerhouse like KTM being assembled here in India, and how everything has come together so it suits the Indian customers and international ones also, because most of the bikes, I'm made to understand, are made here in Santa Cross now. So all the best. And I keep, and I like that last one, naked bike also. So I'm just saying, I don't have any demands and all. I'm just keep mentioning these things on the offside, because maybe in some corner of your heart, Rajiv, you will feel कि इतना बोल रहा था publicly, एक और भेज दो इसको. And there is no rule कि एक motorcycle है तो दूसरी नहीं हो सकती. I'm just letting you know all these things. So even if you are going to be a little tight-fisted about giving me the next motorcycle, I'll keep asking for my demands. And thank you so much, the family of Bajaj and everyone, for always showing me so much kindness and goodness. God bless you all, and I wish all the luck. And I hope that I can be associated in whichever small way, not only as a friend. It's a moment of pride for me to you know, have anything to do with Bajaj. So आप कुछ भी करवाना चाहें, मुझे please बुलाएं और मैं आकर करूँगा. और अभी अमित ने मुझे बोला है कि थोड़ा डांस करना है, तो वो भी मैं करूँगा. और आप बोलेंगे तो मोटरसाइकिल पे खड़ा होकर करूँगा. आप बोलेंगे तो मौत का कुआं बना लूँगा मैं यहाँ पे और उसमें मोटरसाइकिल चलाऊँगा. And I will do my best to entertain you in whichever way possible. I do feel very, very proud to be a part of the Bajaj family. Thank you, Rajiv, for including me in it. Thanks a lot. I can do the lungi dance, Amit, if you come. You will also have to join me. Is that it? ऐसा अकेला छोड़ना. Come on, Rajiv, you'll have to come then. Okay. तो अकेला मैं डांस करूँगा यहाँ पे खड़ा होकर. Okay, let's have 2 or 3 people from the audience. Come.
तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ, मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, आके बता रहा हूँ जो यहाँ.
फिकर आजा इधर, बीच में लगा ले तू ठुमका.
1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor.
Mr. Khan, wait.
आँख भी जाने का है, फटके मेरी बाई, कुंडली में हो जैसे उल्टी दशा आई.
लटक मटक मटक सी जानी सी, भटक भटक ध्यान सी. धड़क दिल छुपा हुआ आया बड़ा संत कहीं का.
खतरे की क्यों घंटी लगे, गोरी तेरे कानों का.
Thank you very much. We'll go to the factory and dance a little more. I enjoyed there a lot, yeah. When you had put me on the stage and also, inshallah, I'll do that again. And once more, thank you, Amit. Am I to stay? Or?
Yeah. Mr.
I'm
Khan,
only
you're-
staying here because I don't want anyone to touch my bike. Okay.
I'm guarding it for you.